In today's video exactly, I'm going to be showing you how to change location on NordVPN. So without any further ado, let's just dive in. So first of all, the first step is going to be opening NordVPN application onto your device. And once you open that, simply head over to this screen, which is going to be having an option of quick connect, as you can see. And then we have various regions and a location selection option, so you can choose between any of these. Like for example, we have Argentina, Australia, so on and so forth. You can select anything, and then you can see you can also have a free map around which you can use to set a location manually as well. And then you can specifically select that region as your current location, and that's how you can change location in NordVPN. By the way, you can head over to the link in the description of this video to get around 70% off on your purchase, and it's going to be helping you a lot and a lot of value. So NordVPN, you can see it is the number one in the market. So yeah, that's how you change your location, and I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below. I will personally assisting you on that. So take care and see you in the next video.